What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey, I'm shooting this video. It was Friday night, so before I got into my movie night with the kiddos, I wanted to shoot a video and talk to you guys about not trusting these jobs, man. When you're in a job, man, one thing people gotta understand is that jobs, you're always replaceable. Regardless, and excuse my kids in the background, guys, excuse them. And I mean, if you get sick, they can let you go. I mean, just find any reasons, to let you go. And certain states allow that, man. And you just don't want to put all your faith and trust in these type of jobs, man, because for them to be able to let you go so quick or put your job up and, all of a sudden, oh, we're cutting jobs, and then next thing you know, everybody else get bonuses and stuff like that. I've seen it happen, man. And I try to tell people to get ready for stuff that's happening in the background. One thing that I've learned is that, and I've learned that in this book here. This book right here, 50th Law. Shit's always happening in the background. And you just got to be prepared for when it happens. Let's get it together. You just got to be prepared for when shit happens. And most people are not prepared. See, when you learn a skill as far as making money online, regardless of where you go, as long as you got internet connection, phone, laptop, you can pretty much set up shop. I mean, there's so many things that you can do, from CPA offers to where you don't need to recruit people. You can sell affiliate products, where these are people that have products that go out to that pretty much affiliate marketers could actually utilize for their business, and you're just being a promoter of it, and they're cutting you a piece of the pie. You can sign up for multi-level marketing companies and build downlines and get paid residual incomes. There's so many things that you can do. You can sell Shopify, eBay, drop shipping. It's so many things that people that you can learn to do in the background. So if something does happen, or eventually you're learning and you're starting to get it so much to the point to where, you know what, boom, I don't need the job. I can do part-time. I can do whatever. I can take off and kick it, hang out a little bit, and still get paid because I know what I'm doing. And then next thing you know, you're like, man, I'm making so much money, I don't need it. So when are you going to put yourself in a position so you can be able to maneuver like that? Okay, get my focus together. Alright, so what are you doing to put yourself in position to win? Are you doing the right thing to put yourself in a position? Or are you reading books? Or are you getting educational products online? And that's why I wanted to shoot this video, guys, because I'm involved in a product, and I've been involved for the past 3 years, man. And I ain't gonna say I've been involved like I'm paying on it monthly, guys. I paid for it one time, and I've been involved ever since. And we have a digital product that teaches you how to make money online from the ground up, from solo ads all the way up to social media marketing. And as I mentioned, you can become an affiliate. So what happens is you get reseller rights to these products, and they have different products levels of 25, 100, 250, 500, 1000, and 2000. And each product level has a vault of training that you can utilize for your online marketing and businesses. See, when I'm able to show you a book, I'm able to show you things to show you that I've taken time out to try to learn things. See, when we read, like I said, this right here, this is one of the first books that I ever read right here. Search engine advertising. It was for Bing. It was like really focused on Bing at the time. So this was a book, and I paid for this book, man. Got on Amazon and bought it. When you see me talking about my 50th Law book, I'm involved in a training when it comes to traffic, internet traffic and leads. I have 2 of these books. That's one my kids wrote on. Here's my second one. Here's my second one. So got 2 of them. So that's the thing, guys, is that you have to start educating yourself and setting yourself up to win. And that's what I want to do to help you guys. So if you're involved in an online marketing business and you don't know where to start, you want to, have some training that's not, people are like, well, training get old. Solo ads is one of the main things that's taught at one of the lowest level, and people still utilize solo ads. So no, the training doesn't get old. And when you add on to new levels, of it, you know, when you get higher and higher, it's the same thing, social media ads training. And on top of that, I offer bonus training. So whatever you do as far as joining me, I'm going to give you social media ads training, guys, because I want to make sure that you succeed. All right. So I want you to really take a look here and see that this is real. I mean, I've gotten 250 commissions during the day. I've gotten $500 commissions. I've gotten $100 commissions. I've gotten $25 commissions. I've gotten, you know, a nice amount of money with this company, guys. And it helped me as well become a better marketer. You see, I always showcase sales. I have different companies I promote, and I always put up proof that, you know, these companies do pay. I don't like showing too much all the time, because my results are my results. You might not have the list that I have. You might not have the marketing budget that I have. So my results are my results, but I want to show you that this is real. Give yourself 6 to 9 months to learn, 6 months to a year to learn business, to learn the game. You know, you just can't come in and go, oh, making $1 million. No, it doesn't happen that way. And I'm not even making $1 million, guys, but I've had $1,000 days. At the end of the day, it's possible. Make $1,000 in a day. Some people make that in a week, 2 weeks on a paycheck. And I made it in a day. So doing this online is possible. You just got to tap in, man, and get focused. So I'm going to help you out. I'm going to set you up in position to win. I have marketing systems in place that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. So the only thing you need to do is just tap into the system. From there, the system is going to take over. It's going to do all the follow-ups. I mean, everything for you. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for you to check it out. And then, once you're in, I'm giving you a free vacation incentive. I'm also going to offer you my free training as well. So you're going to get a free Facebook ads training. And then, you know, from there we can kind of set up a plan, a point of attack as far as what you want to do outside of everything else. But I'm going to wrap this video on up. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Friday. I'm about to go have a movie night. I'll be watching Avengers or something. We at Marvel House. I'm out. Peace.